Hi, it's Susan at Downeast Thunder Farm, and I thought I'd show you how to make my favorite type of legs for my felt birds. The first one is what I use on the owl, and for that I take about a 10 to 12 inch piece of wire. I use 18 gauge wire for my birds, and I fold it in half, and I give it a little pinch at the folded end. And at the other end, I create a little loop, like so. And then I wrap it around a pencil a few times, and then slide it off. And there you have the legs for an owl or an eagle, any of the raptors. This is a nice type of leg. And I just stitch that to the back with a couple of loops of floss so it doesn't show on the front side. And then when you put your two sides together, you'll just stitch around that. So the second type of leg that I really like is what I use on my perching birds. And this songbird has the type of leg I'll show you next. And in that instance, we're going to fold the wire, but we're going to keep a loop at this end. And so I'll just twist it around my finger so I retain that loop, but then I continue twisting the wire so the two pieces become one, all the way up to the end where I make another loop that I will use to attach that to the back of the bird. And then this circle at the end, I fold back in on itself and pinch those until it makes sort of a V, and pinch those little feet, and there you go. The other type of legs that you can use on felt birds. So those are my two favorite ones. I hope this makes it a little bit more clear and you have fun with your Downeast Thunder Farm birds.